budget, pervert.
Don't worry, that should heal fast. Can you come and get me? I'll pay you in back rubs. Mr. Burns is spying on everybody. We've got to follow him.
Not now, Homer. A new violent video game has hit the streets, and we need to get rid of it before it warps any children with its bloops and bleeps.
But that game sounds awesome.
And therefore should be destroyed.
I guess. Sweet! Can you come and get me? I'll pay you in back rubs. Let's do this thing! I'm a lean, mean speed thingy! Oh, out of control!
What's happening?
Learn to drive, dumbass! Take that!
If only kids would play more video games about sharing.
Marge, you know I abhor crazy plans. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go spy on my boss. We're number one! We're number one!
What's the big idea? Don't you have any manners?